Hello everyone, this is your Seva ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome all my lovely children and all respectful parents. So my dear children, let's continue with our today's summary of class. My dear children, today also I am continuing with this your same topic. It is greater or smaller. Okay, Greater, SMALLER, smaller. My dear children, telling the spelling, it doesn't mean that the spelling will come in your exam. Telling you the spelling, explaining you the spelling of written smaller, so that you will learn the spelling. It is not going to come in exam. For enhancement of your knowledge, I am telling the spelling. So, greater. Greater. SMALLER, smaller. Greater or smaller. And my dear children, in math, we are not going to write this spelling. Instead of this spelling, you are going to use the symbol. हम लोग स्पेलिंग नहीं लिखेंगे, हम लोग बल्कि सिंबल यूज करेंगे. हमारे सिंबल से ऐसे ग्रेटर और स्मॉलर. जब एग्जाम या कहीं पे क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपका ये सिंबल यूज होगा और आपको ये सिंबल यूज करना है. ओके, अगेन आई एम गिविंग एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो इन ग्रेटर एंड स्मॉल एक्सरसाइज, what will be there? In this exercise, two numbers will be provided, and in between those two numbers there would be a chance of a blank, dash or box. Inside that, inside the box or on the line of blank, you have to put this sign. It's called greater or smaller sign. And I hope you remember, निकल बताया था कैसे पता लगना है कि कैसे कहाँ पे greater sign होगा. Yes, I'm going to explain you again. So today what number I can give you? Last today, now I give you number 18. Box. Next number 12. Okay, now we have number 18 and 12. So let's have the 18 number will carry 18 numbers of chocolate balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, and 12 will carry how many chocolate balls? 12 chocolate balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now while you can visualize and you can see also where you can find the more number of chocolate balls. Yes, 18 is having more number of chocolate balls. 18 carries greater number of chocolate balls. That means 18 is larger, greater than 12. So our mouth will get open towards 18. 18 की तरफ हमारा mouth open हो जाएगा, right? Now let's have the another number. Now next example when I will give you, I am not going to draw ball. अब की बार हम बॉल नहीं बनाएंगे, आपकी बार जस्ट आप विजुलाइज करेगा. दिस होल एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन योर विजुलाइजेशन. अब बस इमेजिन करेगा कि उस नंबर के पास कितने चॉकलेट बॉल होंगे और फला नंबर के पास कितने चॉकलेट बॉल होंगे. उससे भी आपको पता लग जाएगा विच नंबर इज कैरिंग हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट बॉल, एंड दैट नंबर विल बिकम ग्रेटर. एंड wherever the more chocolate balls are there, our mouth will get open. हम लोग का mouth open हो जाएगा सिर्फ चॉकलेट खाने के लिए, right? So next number I'm giving you, ऐसा नंबर देते हैं जिससे आपको confusion हो जाए. And this I'm going to do in exam also. अब करिए, अब मज़ा आएगा. This I am giving you purposely. Hey, These both numbers look similar, right? Similar तो नहीं लग रहे? No, they are not similar. For this reason, I always say try to read the number carefully and always read the number from left side. अगर आप left side से read करेंगे तो फटाफट पहचान जाएंगे. Who is greater here? Our first number is 50. उनके पास तो 15 balls होंगे. And next number is 51. Very good. That means 51. That means 51 will have 51 number of chocolate. My God, 51 is greater. So 51 की तरफ के पास चॉकलेट ज़्यादा, तो मैम कहाँ पे मैम माउथ ओपन करेंगी? 51 के पास. This is called greater and smaller. And for you gift of the day, I have not given you gift yesterday. Or what should I give you? Strawberry. Yes, I will give you strawberry. Smiling strawberry. Let me give you smiling strawberry to you. Smile. This smiling strawberry is your gift. And my dear children, next I went for your exercise book. In your exercise book, please open the page number 62. This is your page number 62. And now again, wow, wonderful, so beautiful pearl necklaces are there. And now our turn is on 90s. 90 means each necklace is carrying 10 number of pearls. That means tens. So we can read this as is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. One separated 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 2 separated 92. Likewise, further it will increase 93, 94, 95. And while doing this also, you have to read and write. And again, I am demanding you always read the number from left hand side. So now quickly move to our today's homework. My dear children, today I gave you 2 pages homework. 1 page homework in your exercise book, that is page number 62. And another homework in your homework notebook. Now please quickly note down your homework in your homework notebook. And it is like this. Today's date, HW, and you will write the heading with the symbol greater or smaller. And the numbers for which you are going to have greater and small are 9 box 3, 17 box 18, 6 box 2, 20 box 10, 1 box 11. So my dear children, this is your homework of the day. For today, only this much, my dear children. Keep practicing, keep enjoying your study, and keep smiling, keep learning, and never forget to obey your elders. I love you. Take care of yourself. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.